Hey everybody, it's Amon. I know most of my videos are pretty lighthearted, but I really want to get down to business with this one because I've been reading so much news lately about the cost of healthcare and about the epidemic going on with diabetes, type 2 diabetes, pre-diabetics, heart disease, coronary diseases. All these things are just coming out just daily and day and day and day. And it's just mind-blowing at how much money is being thrown into this issue and nothing is being done to solve the problem. And it's really starting to tick me off because we have the solution, okay? At Beachbody, we have the solution to the epidemic going on right now in America. We tell the truth about health and fitness and about what people need to do to live a healthy and fulfilling life. And it just blows me away at all these reports coming out, and nobody is doing a single thing other than Beachbody to reverse this trend. Okay, I know that's pretty straightforward and it's pretty out there to say that, but it's the truth. Okay, I just wanted to read one real quick report here that I saw came to my phone today. I was talking about the cost of heart disease tripling by the year 2030. Okay, and they're talking that it's going to cost this country $800 billion a year just in health costs, or in cost to treat heart disease, high blood pressure, hypertension, all these things. It says treating high blood pressure will be the most expensive part of the cost, rising to nearly $389 billion by the year 2030. The Heart Association CEO, Dr. Nancy Brown, says that this country has a choice to make. We can wait for people to get sick and figure out how to treat them, or we can focus on prevention, okay? So that makes me happy that at least she understands that, you know, if we just keep doing what we're doing, we're going to be shelling out billions and billions and billions of dollars to try to reverse this. Or we can do what Team Beachbody promotes, and that is prevention, okay? That's taking charge of it yourself so that you don't have to depend on an agency. You don't have to depend on the government. You don't have to depend on somebody else to fix the problem, okay? It's up to us. It's up to our households. It's up to what we put in our mouths. It's up to the decisions that we make when we go out to lunch, what we feed our kids. It's up to us as Americans to make that choice, okay? I'm fired up about this right now. I'm sorry if I'm coming out as being kind of blunt right now, but this stuff just blows me away. By 2030, we estimate that 40% of the U.S. adults, or that would be 116 million people, will have one or more forms of cardiovascular disease. The number one cause of death in the United States is heart disease. Really, that's what's happening right now in our nation. We have a problem on our hands. We have a big problem on our hands. And I keep seeing all these reports coming out from, the newest one is Taco Bell, the whole lawsuit with Taco Bell, and how their beef is only 35% real beef, okay, and the rest of it's all filler and expanders and just garbage that humans are creating to put into these foods to make it more profitable for the company, okay? That extra garbage that they're putting in that stuff is doing nothing for our people other than making us fat, making us unhealthy. It's raising the cost of our health care, and we have a big problem on our hands with that, okay? I'm just fired up about this because I know that our CEO at Beachbody, Carl Deichler, he's got a huge goal and a huge mission to stop and reverse the trend of obesity, and I know that we're going to do it. We're the only company out there right now that is actually doing something to attack this issue. I just want, if you're sitting here right now watching this and this is resonating with you, then you need to do something, okay? This is up to us. As Americans, we have got to stand up and do something. Otherwise, this country is going to just fall apart. Our healthcare is going to fall apart. Do something, okay? Become involved in your community. Just be an activist for health. Do something. I'm begging you.